2, 3, 4.
You know, this is actually a really nice spot. I was a little bit disappointed when I pulled in because I'm more of an in-forest type camper. I'm not much of a in a big field type camper, but it's only 15 bucks a night. Got some flush toilets right here, hot showers, worth it, worth every penny. But that's it for this video. No, it's not. We're gonna go down to the beach. There we go. Now we're to the campground. And it looks like we're in a picnic area. Yes, there's a picnic table. This way. Oh, it's a sandy beach. Oh, look at the moon. Wicked. Awesome. Hey, how's it going? Charge it up for tomorrow. We got kicked off the beach, so here we are, hanging out in the men's room. But I'm off to bed. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. This is pretty funny. World Dryer Canada, made in USA. Haha, they put you in French. So, this is the way I came last night. I just walked through this field from a campsite and down and through this picnic area. Oh, check out this tree. That thing's honking. What a honking honker. Cool. So anyway, and then I came down here, and then basically after I signed off there with the moon, one of the park rangers came up and told me the beach was closed and that I had to leave. So that's what I did. I left. But this sand that's all down here was trucked in. Not a natural sandy beach down here. Oh, that's a cool bike. That's one of those rad bikes. Oh yeah. So my charger and battery are gone. Guess I got a little cocky. Forgot that I'm not on the island, that I'm on the mainland. So, from a men's room in Sechelt, that's the end of this video. And I guess I'll see you when I get home, because this phone's gonna die, and I'll see you next time.